Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video we will talk about how to install and set up the first Angular project on your system and also install Bootstrap framework for styling the web pages. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. To run the Angular project, first we need to install Node on system. Go to your browser and type download Node for Windows if you are using Windows operating system. Now run the downloaded file to install the Node.js server. After finishing the installation, check the Node version by typing node space -v. It will show the currently installed version on your system. Now it's a time to install Angular Cli. So just type npm install @angular/cli latest. It will install latest Angular CLI on your system. After the installation done, now check the Angular installed version. So type ng version. You can see installed Angular version on your system. So guys, now it's time to create Angular project. To create project, type ng-new, then the project name, like I am using Angular Pro, and then press enter. Now go to your project folder and install npm. So type npm install and press enter. Now let's run the project by typing ng-serve and press enter. We can see our application is running fine. So now let's install Bootstrap framework into our project. To install Bootstrap, simply type npm install bootstrap space -- save. Now just add Bootstrap files into the angular.json file. You can see Bootstrap files into node module folder. You just need to pass right path into the file. So I am using SCSS and you are free to use CSS. It's purely your choice. Now let's run the application again by typing ng-serve. Press F12 to inspect element and check if Bootstrap is installed. So friends, here we can see the Bootstrap classes. It means we have successfully added the Bootstrap in our Angular project. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and stay connected.